Going on, people, ladies, gentlemen, whoever's watching. This will be considered the pilot of my YouTube channel. My name is Ryan. I guess it's gonna be what it'll be for a little bit. As soon as I find a name for myself. But I will be doing a lot of car maintenance, working on vehicles, working on my own stuff. I currently have a project right now. It's a Nissan 350Z, and let you get a closer look at that here in just a minute. It's a work in progress right now because I have the engine tore out right here. I have my AC condenser sitting in my engine bay just because I didn't feel like taking the whole entire AC system out. But I do have some parts over here sitting, like my bumper, my front end practically of the car, because I got my crash bar sitting here, all the front end pieces, which those can kind of sit outside for now. But I have another engine that I bought inside. I paid some of money for. Camera's all shaky. I need to get a camera at some point. But I bought an engine for like around $300, and it's for the price that it wasn't too bad. It needed seals refreshed, but I have every seal inside that I need to replace it with, and then I'm going to start taking parts off of this engine because there was some parts missing from the other engine. Just like some minor pieces on the top end. The bottom end, everything is still there, and on the front end of the engine. But I am in the process of doing that inside of my room right now. My room has kind of become a shop in itself, just for internal engine work and whatnot. But yeah, here's my car. It's a 2003. It's pretty clean for the price that I got it for. It is running on Kansei tandems, 19 by 10.5, sorry, on 275s. We're running Lexanis on it right now. I did have a set of Federals that didn't last too long or weren't too, great. But I just got these before my car had blown up, and I can't even use the tires right now just because it's sitting. But it should be just about 2 weeks before I get this thing finally finished and back on the road again. But with that being said, I have everything that I need to rebuild this car. I still have everything from the engine sitting outside, and anything that's sitting inside is going to be, done on the car. I can hear my camera going crazy right now. But here's the car. I'll show you a little bit about it, and we'll move on. So this is the car right here. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess right now. I've got everything from the front end tore apart on the car. Wasn't really any other work needed except for the engine. But I do have some performance parts on this. I have a McLeod clutch, aftermarket clutch, NGK coil packs, upgraded radiator hoses, plenum spacer that I actually just brought inside. It's been a little cold and wet out here recently, but this is the car. I do have a Seabon HR hood on it. It is a DE engine, but with that being said, I think the HR hoods look just a little better than the stock DE hoods because they just have this little bitty cowl on it, and black kind of goes hard with it. But I do have BC coilovers on the inside. Like I was saying, the Kansei tandems. They're running pretty wide right now, so I can't really get sideways, but didn't plan on that until I started learning more. Let's look at the interior a little bit. So looking at the inside, it's a little dirty right now. I have to keep the door open with my hand because it won't stay open for some reason, but I've got these aftermarket door cards. I got a radio and a steering wheel from whenever I bought that engine I was talking about previously. The guy was actually pretty cool. I'm trying to stay in connection with him right now, but it's got an aftermarket Bride Lomax racing bucket seat. I got an Energy Quick Release along with the Energy Quick, or not quick, but steering wheel. It's a little bit of a deep dish. I got a Mishimoto weighted shifter. And I think as far as the interior goes, that's kind of what I got. The rest of it is stock. I don't plan on doing much more work inside of the car because I kind of like how it looks right now. It's just a little bit clean. I could use maybe a new bucket seat just to kind of match the interior a little bit, but I do like the red for now because, you know, it's just kind of the king seat of the car, if you want to call it that. But I do love this car very much. It was it was one Midnight Racer game back in the day, and it was in wraps. Yeah, I do have these Amazon door handles. They work for what they are. Yeah, this is kind of what I got set up right now outside, and I'll take you guys inside real quick just to show you what I got going on in there. It is a bit of a mess. I just have parts scattered everywhere right now, so let me take you guys inside real quick and see what I got going on. For the record, it is a brisk 36 degrees outside today. It's not a lot of wind chill, but it's a pretty cold one outside today. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Give me 1 second, I'll show you guys what I got going on in here. Come inside to my bedroom. I have a little bit of a mess going on right now. I have the engine completely tore down over here, and I'm just now starting to rebuild it. I have the oil pan gasket, or I have the upper oil pan on anyways. One of the heads on I just took down last night before I went to sleep. Kind of can't sleep in my bed right now. It's a bit of a mess in here. But I have all these parts laid out that I've been taking off of this engine. And it's quite the mess, like I said, but that's nothing that I can't handle. I'm gonna start taking parts off of my car, or not my car, but my engine outside, and start putting it on here because there was some parts missing whenever I bought the engine. It wasn't a complete engine, but I knew that I had the parts outside if I needed them. So, I mean, with that being said, it's definitely a work in progress. But it should be, like I said, about 2 weeks time before I get this stuff finished. It'll be a minute, and like I said, it was a long time coming, and it's been sitting for about a month and a half, almost 2 months now. I just didn't have the time to work on anything, but let me kind of show you guys a little bit. So there's a bunch of gunk inside of the radiator system right now, and I did my best to clean a lot of it out. With that being said, there is still quite a bit of stuff in here that I have to finish up before I can. I need to get this other head on. I took the flywheel off just yesterday, and I'm pretty sure it's a lightweight flywheel from what I heard from the other guy. So I mean, that's just another part that I can put on my car, just to kind of give it a little oomph, power, I guess, torque, if you will. But yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely, and I'll keep you guys updated more and more every day about the build of this car. And I don't have much else going on after that, but I'm gonna be posting daily car videos, like events that I go to and whatnot. Maybe not daily, because I do have stuff that I still need to do as a human. But with that being said, I will keep this going as best as I can. You know what I mean? Whenever I have the spare time or free time, don't stop ever. You know what I mean? That's kind of my motive right now. But I do have like vehicles so that I'm bringing in, you know, working on, and I'll kind of go through videos like that with you guys. like maintenance, you know, doing like whether it be like a small oil change. I'll show you guys how to do like small oil changes on like economy cars or something like that, because I know I'll probably be getting most of the business like that. There's not a whole lot of like cool cars around here, I guess you will, from where I'm at. But yeah, it is a. This is I get, yeah, like I said, this is considered the pilot of my YouTube channel. Whatever my name may be in the future, I have no clue. I guess future me is gonna figure that one out. Either that or you guys give suggestions. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. Do have a little bit of work to do on my engine, which I'm gonna be doing some work on video of my engine, and then I'll have like work outside that I'm doing on the engine. I'll, you know, time lapse it or something like that, whatever I may be able to do. As far as right now, don't have a whole lot of setup. I'm kind of recording this off my phone right now, so I'm pretty motivated to get this stuff done though. Motivation is that I want to get that car back out on the road and driving. So with that being said, I think I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you guys have a great Sunday. It's currently, like I said, about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to get to work on this stuff. Probably be working all throughout the day, and then it'll be back to it the next day and then the day after that. So hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.